Okay guys, what's up? Good morning and welcome. This is Melvin and I'm bringing you the first tips for today. Let's just take a moment to tell God thank you for the grace to still being alive today. And also I'd like to apologize for not bringing you guys tips yesterday. I was very busy in church, and as at the time I was done and the guy for the tips was not giving stories, so I just had to knock it out quickly. Tap on the search icon here at the top right corner, and I want you to look up for Minds in this your search box and click on this very first guy here. Now if you're just coming, there's a video proceeding on how to get started. There's a write-up where I tell you how much you're going to be earning today, so just tap on that link you see there. It will take you to the place where you get to set up. So you just follow the instructions, and yes, that's all. And also some of you might be having issues with registration, whereby it's telling you registration limit exceeded. Now if that is your case, what I want you to do for me is to quickly look for a friend's device, a friend, a neighbor, whichever, you understand. Set up your account using the person's phone. Just copy the link, go to the person's phone, paste it there, and then once you're done setting up, come back to your own phone and then you log in. Okay, that's it. Give me a moment. Okay, the tips is going to be very easy, but I need you to pay attention because it's a little bit not that easy. So click on this guy that is called this number of minds, take it to number 3. Okay, number 3, not number 2. This is your money to 100 naira here, right? This is what we have here. Then run your survey. Now any of these boxes that you have here, I want you to hit that box at random. You don't need to be smart about it, okay? And then cash out your money instantly. Now once you do this immediately, I want you to take this guy to number 2. That's the first time you just come in, okay? You did your money to the highest, and then all of those places you saw those bombs. Do you understand? You don't want to waste time with it though, because seriously, don't waste time with it. So all of those places you saw those bombs, those are the places you want to hit. Do you understand? Good. Now you might be asking, Melvin, how much do I stake? Let me put my phone on to not disturb Jerry. Sorry about that. How much am I expected to stake? I used to tell you guys that if you know you can afford 10k, use it, because seriously, I see no reason why you should be carding peanut on this platform. It's of no use to you. If you can risk 10k, use 10k. But if you know you don't have 10k, why not use what you have? Do you understand? Good. Now let's take the tips again. Now the first time you did it, you ran only one survey. Remember, it was on number 3. We were using 100, and then we did just one survey. Then we took it on number 2. Right? Good. But when you are doing it for the second time, you are going to keep it on number 3, and you're going to run 2 surveys. 2 surveys means you are going to use 100 naira to stake twice. Do you understand? So that was the first time I staked, and this is the second time I'm staking. Now once you've done that, I want you to take this guy again to number 2. Do you understand? Increase your money to the highest, and all of those places you are seeing those bombs. I don't know if you know the bombs I'm talking. We don't have newbies in the house now, right? So I don't need to start explaining these things again from scratch. So guys, that's just the tips for you now. First of all, the first time you do it once, second time you do it twice, and the third time do it 3 times. Do you understand? And yes, don't go beyond 3 times. Don't tell me, Melvin, I wanted to just don't do that. Do you understand? Do it only 3 times. That is all. If you are using 1k, you know how much you are going to get. If you are using 2k, you know how much you are going to get. And also if you are using 10k, you know how much you are going to get, which I always advise you use 10k. Do you understand? I've done this thing before. I should not be doing it again, but please, for the sake of your own good, do you understand? Don't go beyond 3 times. Do you understand? Very good. Just do it 3 times. Let me tell you what you want to, because the thing about tips like this is that by the time I expose it to the general public, we have about 4,000 people there viewing the whole thing. Right? Good. Now by the time it's exposed, it's going to generate a traffic to these people, and they're like, something is going on here, and they will now run and come and block it. So I don't want that thing. So otherwise I should tell you guys, just do it 3 times, because you being greedy will be at the expense of others. Do you understand me? So please don't be greedy. Just do it 3 times so that everybody can be happy, and don't worry, it's going to work. And I pray we all have a productive day ahead. Okay, next tips is going to come in by around maybe 4 p.m. 4 p.m. So guys, that's it guys. Have a beautiful day guys. Good morning.